Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. Our I can statement for today is I can identify teen numbers by the group of 10 and extra ones. So I'm going to read it slower, then you're going to repeat. I can identify teen numbers by the group of 10 and extra ones. So what we're going to be working on today is being able to quickly identify our teen numbers, and we know that teen numbers is a group of 10 and then ones that are left over. So we've practiced circling, we've practiced building. You guys have your teen number is sheet, and you guys are working that on your pathway. What you're going to do today is listen to this teen song. I'm going to link it in the same spot that I've been linking it the last couple of days. And then what I want us to do together is to just go ahead and we're going to read these numbers. So I'm going to read them together with you. We're going to go from reading direction left to right. And we're going to read them. And then I'm going to point to them and you're going to read them. So let me ask you real quick. Is this a teen number? No. 20. Okay. Let's go ahead and read. 15, 12, 17, 10, 14, 18, 13, 10, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, 19, 16, 12, 14, 15, 11, 13, 18, 16, 10, 20, 19, 11, 17, 13, 15, 16, 10, 20, 13, 18, 16, 17. All right, now I'm going to point with my mouse, and then you are going to read it out loud. Ready, go. Very good, boys and girls. If you need extra practice, you can slow that down. And I just want to show you your pathway for today. So everyone should have been getting on these pathways. Please make sure that you're taking a check mark and that whenever you finish whenever you finish a assignment, you just go in and you move the check mark, okay? So today is Wednesday, and you see our I can statements that we've been building on. What you're going to do today is you're going to use your teen number is, and you're going to build 12, 13, and 14. You're going to take your manipulatives and you're going to build 12, 13, 14. You're going to upload them to Seesaw, and then you're going to highlight your teen numbers, and you'll also find that assignment on Seesaw. So today was a super quick mini lesson, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.